Good morning, students. Have a nice day. Welcome to 6th Standard English class. I hope all are safe by God's grace. Today we are going to see about first lesson, book back exercise and vocabulary. First one, lesson number 1, sports stars. Page number 84, glossary. Recognized. Answer, known. Acknowledged. Answer, accepted. Privilege. Answer, honor. Consecutive. Answer, one after another. Identity. Answer, who or what a person is or how a person is known. Inspiration. Answer, here a person one looks up to. Passion. Answer, desire. Page number 85. Shanty town. Answer, a poor area. Unfulfilled. Answer, unrealized. Prominent. Answer, noticeable. Determined. Answer, will-powered. Next, page number 89. Correspondent. Answer, reporter. Commitment. Answer, dedication. Never say die. Answer, don't stop trying. Civilian. Answer, ordinary people. Next, children, page number 90. Read and understand. Roman letter 1. Identify the sports and the sports personalities from the lesson and fill in the table. First one, sports. Name of the players and field of sports awards. First one, Usharani Kabaddi. Awards, gold medal in Kabaddi. Next one, PV Sindhu Badminton. Awards, silver medal in 2017 Olympics. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 2016, Padma Shri in 2015, Arjuna Award in 2013. Next one, Mithali Dureraj Cricket. Awards, Padma Shri Award. Roman letter 2. Read the questions related to the 3 sports stars you have read about and tick the appropriate boxes. First question, who won the Olympic 2017 silver medal in badminton? Answer, PV Sindhu. Second one, who is the role model for her siblings? Answer, Usha Rani. Third one, whose mother tongue is Tamil? Answer, Mithali Dureraj. Fourth one, whose attitude is never say die spirit? Answer, PV Sindhu. Fifth one, which player works in the police department? Answer, Usha Rani. Sixth one, which player holds the record for the highest individual score in cricket? Answer, Mithali Dureraj. Next, Roman letter 3, think and answer. This answer, there is no space in your book. So children, take one paper and write the answer and paste in the page. First one, women or men can achieve anything provided they put their heart and soul into it. Discuss in the class, do you think being a man or a woman makes a difference? Answer, in this world of competition, everyone can achieve success if they put their heart and soul into the task. Every person who achieves success in life has to work hard with dedication and determination. It's no matter whether they are men or women. That makes no difference. All that matters is only hard work, determination, and the willingness to achieve something big. One can always learn something from another person's story. Each one of us should believe in ourselves and follow our passion to win with devotion and dedication. Success will surely embrace us one day. Second question: how can you balance your academic goals and passion for sports or arts? Answer: a person's determination and readiness to cross the obstacles in life can make him or her to balance his or her academic goals and the passion for sports or arts. PV Sindhu is a good example for this. Despite being busy with her training, schedules and international tournaments, she managed to attend regular school until class 9th, after which all her classes were through correspondence. She did balance both her passion as well as her academics, and she holds a bachelor degree in commerce. The other sports stars who balance their passion for sports and academics are Rahul Dravid, Anil Kumble, VVS Lakshman, K. Srikanth, MS Dhoni, Murali Vijay, and Suresh Raina. All these stars excelled in cricket. There are also others who have excelled in the field of sports and academics. Therefore, their determination to surpass both in academics and sports, the ability in balancing both are the prime factors to achieve success in both the fields. Next book exercise, page number 91, vocabulary. Exercise A, match the sport and equipment. Already one of the example in your book, cricket, related answer bat. First one, football, answer helmet. Second one, tennis, answer rackets. Third one, golf, answer club. Fourth one, volleyball, answer net. Fifth one, archery, answer bow and arrow. Next, B exercise. Find the names of 12 sports and games for the grid. This is the puzzle cross type. First answer, crossing method. First answer, kabaddi. Second one, tennis. Third one, chess. Fourth one, sumo. Next, downwards answer, golf, kite flying, carom, hockey, relay, swimming, ice skating, table tennis. Next exercise C, tick the meaning of the italics word. First one, being compared to Sachin is an absolute privilege. Privilege is the question. So answer option A, honor. Option B, right. Option C, favor. Option D, disadvantage. In this correct answer, option A, honor. Second question, the boy was taken by surprise when he learnt about Mithali Durai Raj. Option A, affected. Option B, moved. Option C, amazed. Option D, upset. Question surprise. Answer option C, amazed. Third one, Usha Rani had to struggle all through her life. Option A, fight. Option B, duel. Option C, fun. Option D, work hard. Question, struggle. Correct answer, option A, fight. Fourth one, Usha Rani is expert at giving leads. Option A, clumsy. Option B, sharp. Option C, skilled. Option D, bad. Question, expert. Correct answer, option C, skilled. Fifth one, no opponent is too big to defeat. Option A, competitor. Option B, rival. Option C, helper. Option D, enemy. Question, opponent. Correct answer, option A, competitor. Next, page number 92. D exercise, fill in the blanks with the opposites of the words given in brackets. First question, we should learn from our dash. Within the bracket, this is the question, success. So opposite answer, failure. Success, failure. Second question, children don't like to read dash books. Within the bracket question, interesting. In the correct answer, uninteresting. So interesting, opposite answer, uninteresting. Option next question, third, be dash when you are telling us what you need. Within the bracket, general, this is the question, so opposite answer, specific. Fourth one, the teacher asked the children to dash talking. Within the bracket, question, start. Opposite answer, stop. Start, opposite, stop. Fifth one, the new boss decided to dash the lazy workers. Within the bracket question, appoint. Opposite answer, dismiss. Appoint, opposite answer, dismiss. Next, listening skills. Exercise E, listen to your teacher and number the pictures accordingly. Some of the pictures in this page. First picture, scuba diving. Second picture, water rafting. Third picture, paragliding. Fourth picture, skiing. Next, write T. T means true if the statement is true, and the F means if the statement is false. First question, Himachal Pradesh is an ideal place for paragliding. Answer, true. Second question, skiing offers opportunities to delve into ocean. Correct answer, false. Third one, paragliding is also a recreational adventure sport. Answer, true. Fourth one, scuba diving has a huge following all over the world. Answer, false. Fifth one, the most suitable period for skiing is from March to June. Answer, false. Okay children, I hope all are watch this video class and PDF link. Today's assignment, follow the instructions. Read and write given book back exercise in your textbook. Write in cursive style and neat presentation. Watch the YouTube video link to understand. Complete the given assignment and report on time without fail. Thank you children. Take care.